What?
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 That's what I mean.
What?
That's the trouble with you.
That's the trouble with you.
With you!
With you!
No! No! God, if I had a steak. If I had a goddamn steak. Oh, it would be so rare, so bloody. If I had a goddamn steak, I would fuck it.
You don't like my cooking?
Oh, don't be such an old bitch.
You're drunk! You wouldn't be saying that.
How could I possibly like the horse shit you fix us up for supper?
You're drunk! You don't mean that!
Kitchen shanty! Because it was 5 donuts, 3 times a day. Oh, your country's bigger than your...
You're drunk!
I'm drunk!
Ye heard me!
You've been drunk since...
Damn ye!
Drunk since I first laid eyes on you.
You're fond of me lobster. Say it!
I don't gotta say nothing.
Damn ye! Let that dude strike you down, Winslow!